Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or remove synced folders from your computer that is synced to Google Drive. So what you want to do, guys, is if you see here on your desktop or wherever you have a folder and it's synced to Google Drive and you try to delete it, you will have the option that says try again, and you could try again but it will not delete. So how do you go about, let's say, removing this from your computer? You can always go ahead and try on the Google Drive as well. So if you go to your Google Drive here and you go to computers and you go to my laptop and you find that folder, you hit delete, you will see that it's deleted, right? So go ahead and check your computer as well. If I even refresh my desktop here, let me go ahead and refresh, the folder is still there. So let me go back to the drive here and press Ctrl Z to bring that back. The best way how to do this, guys, is to open up the Google Drive on your computer. And once you open up the Google Drive on your computer, you can click the lower right hand side and click on the Google Drive here. And here you will have the gear. So you want to click the gear that says more option menu. Click on that and click on preferences. Here you will find on your computer the drive that is currently there. And from here you can easily go ahead and click on that drive here and you can uncheck the sync button. So here you will see the option that says sync with Google Drive. You can simply unsync this and click on done. Then you will have the option here to stop syncing. So once you stop syncing this, it will no longer be there. You can click remove, and here you will see that it's practically done. No, this is no longer a synced folder on your computer, and once you refresh your screen you will see the sync icon remove from the folder, and it's easy now for you to simply delete this folder like normally. So that's it, and you can always go back to your Google Drive now, and if you refresh you will see that you're able now to delete this folder without any problems. If you go to my computer and you go to your laptop, you have the folder there, you can easily delete it if you so desire. So if you don't want to delete from the Google Drive, it's really up to you, but if you're looking for how to delete those sync folders from your computer, that's the best way to do it, and you can delete it after you unsync them anywhere, Google Drive or the Windows. It's really up to you. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.